Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a spell to release the fear of judgment so that you can fully embrace who you are. And the spell is to release fear and embrace the truth. Before we dive in though, my name is Sandra. I am the author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca, witchcraft, spells, magic, tarot and shadow work, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you do want to know where to start your witchcraft practice but you're just confused by all of the information out there, I have a free masterclass called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. There's a link in the description field below this video. Now with this spell, it's pretty easy. There's 2 candles, a white candle and an orange candle. I'm using amethyst. You could also use tourmaline, black tourmaline. I'm using rosemary as the oil and also some fresh rosemary here. I've also got a bowl to burn my petition here and some tongs so that I don't burn my fingers, and also some matches. If you don't have an orange candle, just use another white candle. That's quite okay. What you're really wanting to do in this spell is to start the process of letting go of the fears that you have, the fear of criticism, the fear of judgment, and get clear before you do the spell of what it is you're afraid of. What is this fear? What will happen if people judge you? What do you fear will happen? Because that's what you're going to write down on your piece of paper, what it is that you fear. So have that written down before you do the spell. And I've got mine written on here as well. So just have that there in front of you and be clear about, this is what I'm releasing, this is what I'm letting go of. Now when you do a spell to release anything, you will find that things will come to you that will assist you in releasing. So this could be modalities that come to you, like healing modalities that come to you, opportunities may come to you. You may find people will come to you. You might meet somebody who can help you with this situation. You might find a book that can help you with this situation. The magic can do things in very many different ways. It's not going to necessarily release the fear straight away, but it's going to put you on the track to finding the ways to release the fear, to start releasing the fear. So it's worthwhile doing. And if the fear isn't that strong in you, the magic may be enough to remove that fear in and of itself. But generally, magic is more for tangible things. When it comes to emotional things, these kinds of spells just help kickstart the process, and then you'll find there'll be all of these other avenues that you'll be led down that will help you release these fears more and more and more and more. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to make sure that your space is clear and set up. So you might want to set up a circle, you might want to clear the space. I'm not going to do that in this spell because it's just a demonstration. But make sure that your space that you're working in is nice and cleansed. You can do that with incense smoke, you could do that with salt water. And then once you're ready, you can sit down, you can invoke the deities if you're wanting to work with the deities like Hekate, and then start your spell. So I'm going to anoint the candles first. I'm wanting to actually bring in clarity and positive things because these candles are actually positive candles. They're not banishing candles, because I'm wanting to bring in my truth and the courage and the confidence. I'm wanting to bring it to me, so I'm anointing this candle with rosemary towards the base of the candle. The same with the white candle. The white candle is your truth. It's the clarity of what your truth is. So you're wanting to make that clearer. So you're wanting to bring that in as well. So from the tip of the candle down to the base of the candle. Okay. So now I'm going to stand the candles up in their holder, and I'm just going to wax the base a bit so that they're nice and firm and don't fall over. Okay, so I have my spell written out in front of me. Now, starting with the white candle, light the candle and focus on your truth. What is your truth? Who are you? Who are you trying to be that you're afraid of being judged about or afraid of being criticized for? As this candle represents your pure light. And as you watch the flame, just say, this light is my truth. It is pure and clear, protected. I call upon my higher self to guide me in living my truth with confidence and love. And feel into what that feels like. And now here, the petition or the fear has already been written down. I'm just going to sprinkle it with the rosemary. With the wisdom of the earth, I release these fears. They no longer serve me, and I am safe to be who I truly am. Just imagine the rosemary leaves or the sprigs of rosemary is just cleansing and purifying that fear. And now it's time to light the orange candle. I'll just move it a little bit forward so you can see it. And this flame is my courage. It burns bright within me, and I call upon my power to live my truth boldly and authentically. And feel into what that feels like too. What does it feel like to live your life boldly and authentically? It doesn't have to be aggressive. It just is being authentic. And then take the paper and fold it away from you, because this is a fear, so you're wanting to send it away, so fold it away from you. You can fold it again. Now you're going to burn it. And you're going to burn it and take the flame from the white candle. Put it in the heat-proof bowl. Watch the flame. And as this flame transforms the paper to ash, my fears are transformed into power. I am free to live my truth. And then finally take the amethyst, hold it to your heart. You might want to wake it up a little bit by just giving it a little bit of a rub between the hands. Place it to your heart. And then whisper to the amethyst, stone of amethyst. I am safe, I am protected, I am free. It is safe for me to live my truth. And you can hold the amethyst in the palm of your hand and meditate on it for maybe about 5 minutes, feeling into what it feels like to confidently step into your truth. Feel into what it would be. And if you find that there's a situation that you're in or a situation that you're expecting where you fear being criticized or you fear being judged, just as you hold that amethyst and look at the flames, imagine yourself in that situation, but this time with confidence, standing in your truth, speaking your truth with confidence, and feel into what that feels like. Now, there may still be a little fear. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Just focus on the confidence and focus on the feeling of what it feels like to stand strongly in your truth. And allow yourself to meditate on that for 5 minutes or more, however long you want to. And then if it is an event that's coming up or something that you're in, you can repeat the work with the amethyst every day and just spend 5 minutes every day with the amethyst, holding it and whispering that truth to the amethyst and feeling yourself in that situation where you are standing in your confidence and you are standing in your power, and watch the change happen. So if you do want to learn witchcraft with me, I do have a 12-month course, the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. This is where you learn witchcraft right from the very beginning. You learn energy work, you learn to create circles, you learn candle magic, and also working with the Sabbats, working with the lunar energies, and connecting to you, connecting to your inner witch, connecting to who you truly are. Because this is a path not just about magic. This is a path that is really about you finding your truth, who you truly are, your spiritual self. And that 12 months is an opportunity for you to really get stuck into your practice and actually do the craft and step into who you truly are. So there's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also find that course on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. As you can find all of my courses on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.